Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunities. So in this video, I will be discussing about off-campus jobs and internship opportunities from Ecolite Digital, AMD, FAMPay and MKCL. This is a freshers hiring where final year candidates are also eligible to apply. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring is from AMD. AMD is hiring for their intern position for Hyderabad location. So talking about the qualification, who are eligible to apply, then the candidates who are pursuing their BE, BTech, ME, MTech from Computer Science Engineering can only apply for this opportunity, and the students must be passing out in 2024 batch. Talking about the preferred skills and knowledge, then you should be only having knowledge in C or C++ programming language with a knowledge in data structures and algorithm. Second hiring is from Ecolite Digital. So Ecolite Digital is also hiring for their IT support intern for Hyderabad location. So talking about the qualification, who can apply, then the candidate who are having BE, BTech, BCA, BSc, MCA or MSc degree from any branches or domain, and you should be passing out in 2022 and 23 batch can apply for this opportunity. You should be having excellent communication skills with a good understanding in Active Directory, software troubleshooting and related to it. Third hiring is from MKCL. MKCL is hiring for their project trainee recruitment for 2023 where you will be assigning a position of system engineer. So basically MKCL is Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited where there is a 10 vacancies of system engineer. So talking about the eligibility, who can apply, then you should be having BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, MS degree from Computer Science, IT or Electronics and Communication Engineering, and you should be passing out in 2023 batch. So they are hiring for the two locations Pune and Navi Mumbai where the application date has started from 17 July and the last date to apply for this application 31st July. So you should apply before this, and there is no application fees. Talking about the selection process, then the selection process consists of two stages. Stage 1 will consist of online objective test and the second stage will consist of personal interview. So if you want to know more about the online test, then you can go through this page. All the necessary details are mentioned regarding the online test, syllabus and all. And they've also mentioned the career path that in the first year you will be assigning a position of project trainee where you will be getting a CTC of rupees 3.96 lakh. In the second year you will be promoted to project associate, in the third year senior project associate 1 and in the fourth year senior project associate 2. And also you can see beside salary is also mentioned, and apart from the salary, medical insurance and accident insurance is also covered. So before you apply for this opportunity, you must go through this page. All the necessary details regarding the exams, syllabus are mentioned properly, and the exact date of the online examination and all are also mentioned. So if you are interested for this job, you must apply before 31st of July. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from FAMPay. So FAMPay is hiring for their customer support and operations. So talking about the eligibility, who can apply, then you should be having a graduate degree from any discipline with a good communication skills in Hindi, English or any regional language from the state which you belong. So these were the 4 hiring opportunities. According to your eligibility and criteria, you must apply for all these jobs, and also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.